welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TIERRA J, and y'all see we back with another curly summer series. Yes ma'am, ignore the kids. Summer break is almost over. Y'all just don't even know the pushing through this curly summer series, what it really means to like show up and get cute and just get to work all while juggling the kids during summer break. Listen, this curly summer series is a testimony, okay? We back with another little easy breezy summertime curly look. We did a little half up, half down curly crochet install. No leave out because we ain't got time for that. Hold on. Mom life, y'all know how it go. This whole curly summer series is for all my mothers out there. Like, I think we as mothers just need like curly easy hairstyles on rotation every summer. Okay, juggling the kids, juggling work, whatever we got going on, and we still want to be cute, we still want to show up for ourselves, and when you look good you feel good, period. Okay, and I got to say, I'm proud of myself how I've been showing up. I tried to keep like a hair schedule going for real, just so I can wake up and feel good and look good and just put my best foot forward. So these easy curly summertime hairstyles have been coming through for your girl, especially the crochets. Okay, y'all make sure if you haven't been watching the curly summer series, go back, watch them all, put these hairstyles on the list in rotation. We might have to go ahead and bring them back next summer as well, okay? So anyway, let's go ahead and jump into it. If you want to see how I got this style, this install, if you want to know all the details about the hair, make sure you watch to the end. And yeah, let's get into it.
See everything's gonna be alright.
Real quick little half down. Okay, I am honestly shocked how this hair is turning out. As I was working with this deep wave, I kind of was a little nervous, I ain't gonna lie, because I just felt like it was all going in the same direction, so it might just give me like, you know what I'm saying, I might be stuck with a big ball. It did take some brushing out to really get it to how I wanted it to be, and you know, of course you could just play around with it. I am curious to see how this hair would look like wet, so I might try that. Let me know if there's something y'all want to see, like how to maintain this hair. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, you know what I'm saying. I do need to like test it out for maybe a week. That's like the longest I wear my hairstyles anyway. But yeah, I will go ahead and wear this for the week and let y'all know down below in the comments how this hair held up. If y'all interested in like the maintenance of these crochet videos, please let me know. And I know a lot of people ask about the takedowns, so please let me know if that's something y'all want to see next. But overall, I really love this hair. It is nice and soft. I feel like it's gonna give me a little tangling. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I could just kind of foresee it, you know what I'm saying? So I am gonna be like really careful with this hair as far as maintaining it. I'll probably like put it into big twists at night, making sure to wear my scarf, my bonnet, the whole nine. I don't think I would go swimming with this hair. Like, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not going swimming. And the half up, half down, I don't do swimming in half up, half down anyway, but I feel like that would be a mess if I got everything wet. Y'all know, like, I just feel like it'll be a mess. So I'm gonna leave the pool alone. Okay, we got 1 week until the school year start back, so I'm gonna just like kind of lay the summer to rest with this hairstyle. I really love these curls, how bouncy they are, how full it is. I was kind of worried about that too when I got to that one pack and I was like, I don't know if there's gonna be enough hair. So this was all the hair that I had left over. It's honestly what, like 3 pieces I could have snuck in there, but I did use all the packs. I think it was 5 packs, 6 packs in total. So yeah, all the packs, you want to use them all to get it nice and full. And all the waves and like curls, they do go the same way, so I do feel like I'll be brushing it out pretty often. Like if I'm on the go, I'll probably take a brush with me, just to make sure, you know, the curls are staying like nice and fluffy. I do want to try wetting this hair to see like what type of wave it'll give me. I don't know, we'll see. But I really like this dry fluffy type of curl. It's just giving me like all the curly time, like curly sexiness, you know what I'm saying? That sultry, curly sultriness is what these curls are giving me. So again, I will let y'all know how this hair holds up. I'm gonna start leaving just like a 1 week review down in the description box. Oh yes, EayonHair came through again, once again for your girl with the crochet, the curly crochet. Y'all make sure to check them out. All their information is down below in that description box. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Y'all make sure to stay blessed, stay beautiful, okay? Don't be having all that stress on your heart and in your mind and in your soul. Just be easy, be breezy, be beautiful, because you are. And I thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video.